Let's learn how you can restore Viber messages. So let us start by opening our Viber application. You will have to click on more, and then from your profile you will have to go to settings. Now when you open the settings, you will have to click on this account option, and now you will have to click on this first Viber backup option. So when you open this page, as you can see, I am not connected to the iCloud, but the reason of it is this text. So backup your chat history so it's always safe. Restore your chat history when reinstalling Viber on another iOS device. So when you reinstall the Viber, you will get the option to restore the chat if you follow this tutorial they set here. So first step is this is for iPhones that doesn't have our iCloud on. So to do that, you'll just have to go to your settings, open iCloud, go to Drive, and when you do that, you'll have to make sure that you have saved your Viber to the iCloud options. So if you go back and open Viber again and go to settings and open account with Viber backup, you can see this page now with backup now options and other options. So when you reinstall Viber now, you'll get to backup now and restore messages lately. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.